In this video, I'll show you how to reset your sound or your audio on your Samsung Smart TV in case you're having any kind of issue with the audio. Okay, so what you need to do is to take your remote control. If yours is not looking like this, do not worry. You need to go into the settings, and some of these will have a settings button down below. Sometimes it's over here, it says settings, but if yours is not looking like this, you just need to press the home button once. And then over here, you need to navigate with the left side arrows. Press it a few times until settings is highlighted. Then press the middle button to confirm. Next step is to go over here where it says sound, press the down arrow and then the middle button once. And now we need to go under expert settings. So go down, select it by pressing the middle button. And now in this final menu, we need to go all the way down. It's the last option here, reset sound. Click the middle button, and now it will ask us reset sound settings. Just go with the left side arrow and press the middle button. And it will take just a few seconds and it will say the sound has been resetted. So now you can test it out again, and hopefully this will solve your issue you were having previously. So while the TV is turned on, remove the power outlet, disconnect it. Now under your Samsung TV, there should be a button. Mine is located right over here on the right side, but yours can be located in the middle or even on the left side. What you need to do is to keep press this button during 30 seconds. Do not let it go. Even if the TV is currently unplugged, this will remove any remaining charge. After 30 seconds, you can release the button. Now it's time to wait 5 minutes. Do not do anything, do not touch the TV. After this 5 minutes has passed, take the power cable and we'll connect it directly to a wall socket. Do not connect to a power strip because sometimes this is causing the problem. After doing this, it's time to turn on your Samsung TV, and what you need to do is to turn it on using the same button you used previously. Do not use the remote control. So just by tapping it once, the TV should turn on and your problem should be gone. So thanks for watching. If you want to support my channel, check the Amazon links in the description down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.